2018 McLaren 720S. It's in a Memphis red color, which is kind of a metallic red with gold flakes. The McLaren 720S has a twin turbocharged V8 4.0 liter engine. It does 0 to 60 in a 2.5 or less.
Yeah.
0 to 100 in under 5, and 0 to 200 around 14 or so seconds. So it's just some insane numbers. About 710 horsepower. It's called 720 because in Europe they measure horsepower difference, so it's 720 PS, thus the 720 moniker.
Gotcha. That's awesome. So is it paddle shift then?
It is. It's got a dual clutch transmission, 7-speed paddle shift, and it's got separate controls for both power delivery and suspension.
Okay.
So it's got one of those magnetic meteorological suspensions, and
I appreciate the ride.
yeah, and what that does is it allows you to change from a soft suspension to a hard suspension.
Okay. And what, I mean, for a base model car, what's the guy looking at spending for one of these?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know about base, so like a well-equipped one is probably going to be around $350,000.
Okay.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, you
Oh,
know,
I'll get 2 of them then.
you get 3, man. What are you
You're
talking
right.
about? One in every color.
Oh, they only have 10 colors?
They've got a huge range of colors. Yeah.
And so what's the braking distance on this from 60 to 0?
Good question. I don't know.
You haven't tried that one?
Yeah.
Well,
but I'm sure it's probably somewhere in the 100-foot range or something.
Yeah.
Like that.
Very cool. Well, hey, thank you very much for
You're
letting me
welcome.
take some of your time here.
All right, McLaren's on its way up. All you, boss.
$350, guys. $350. I thought it was going to be like same $250, but